Hello everybody, my name is CraigBennettII, and today I'm going to get into a quick video on how to get achievements manually added or taken away in your Steam games. Note that this seems to be able to work across all Steam games, but as far as is it bannable, like will it get you banned from Steam or games? In general, it's looking like no, it's fine. This is a well-known method I'm going to be using. But with my experience and many other people's experience, this doesn't really seem to be, it's just a personal thing. And if you think about it, achievements really don't change anything anyways. And that's probably why. But why would you want to do this if it doesn't change anything? Real quick, some games like, say, Subnautica or some of the other ones, you might run into a glitch where the game doesn't actually do something proper. So instead of going back and losing a save or whatever it may be, you can just go into console and fix it and go from there. But unfortunately, like for example, the newest game in Subnautica, when you do that, it disables all cheats from there on out. So, achievements from there on out, because it's considered as you're cheating. So in order to, even if you're just doing that and whatever, in order to get the achievements back, as you go through, you can actually manually add it or just add it all at once and go from there. So that's what I'm going to really show you on this particular one. So as far as this goes, what you need to do is go to the following and go down to download latest release, and then download the actual zip folder and then unzip it, and then go to sam.picker. From there, refresh games, and if the game that you want to deal with doesn't show up, note that it does take a while. So what you would need to do is go to the actual store page, go and right click, go to copy page URL, and what you want to do is go to here, and this is the actual game ID. So if you copy that and paste it into here and add game, it will actually show up. So actually let's do that because I don't have the thing in front of me. So there we go. I had to reopen it for whatever reason, but double click that, just wait a few seconds. It might have to load the icons. No, it does take a while, so note that. But what you can do is you can either select the ones that you want to deal with or not. I'm going to bring Steam back up, and that way I can actually show you in real time that this does actually do it. So note right here the achievements. So for example, if I do that, it says boom, I got that, and if I want to take it away, then I can do that and just wait. Let's go back, and as you see there, it takes it away. Let's add it again, reload that, and simple as that. So you can do something like that, so taking away or adding it one by one, or you can do all of them. So for this, you have lock all achievements, invert, or unlock. So lock is basically say you didn't get any of them. I don't really know why you want to do that. You can do unlock all or invert. Again, it's really up to you. Again, some games, they might mess up on your achievements where you don't actually get it. Like I know Lara Croft games and a few other ones have this problem. So even AAAs have this type of problem. So note that. But also note, right here. And I never played this game, and it's give me all it, and we're all good. So note that. It's up to you what you want to do. So yeah. And as we see here, if I jump back here, it's probably still loading. Yep. I probably have to restart Steam. Hopefully I don't have to force close it with the thing, which looks like the case. And there you go. Note the actual thing does actually show up in your activity, so note that even if you do whatever, everything does get logged, so that should definitely be noted. You know, I mean, maybe if you're a streamer or whatever, that might matter, but the rest of us, it really doesn't. But you should definitely know that. But anyway, so as far as that goes, hopefully this helps you out. And again, I'll leave links down below. And if you like this, leave a like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next video. Hope you have a great day.